Crewton Ramone's House of Math.
.com.
This guy named Pascal came up with this thing about how to do summations. So I'm going to actually let's move this thing over even more. I can see in the picture. We're going to move this guy over. Oh, look. Okay. Now, let's see. I just want to sum up all the numbers to 4. How much is that? So n is my number. 4 is my number, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do I have to do? Are you going to try and add 1 and 2 and 3 and 4? You can, because this is a very short series and it's very easy to add.
Put the 3 on top. Put the 1 on top.
How about if I just did this and I just did that?
That's easy.
What do I have?
You have
10.
2 times 5. 10. Now I could even do it this way. But the other way shows it better. Alright, let's do it again. Let's do it again. So let's go and let's get some of these guys over here and we're going to stay even. We can do fractions some other day. Alright, now I want to sum up all the numbers till there. What do I have to do? I'm going to pick these guys up again.
put them there.
Put them here.
Put that
And I'm going to put that there.
and good.
What do I have?
You have
21.
21.
7 times 3.
Yeah.
Oh, so couldn't I just add 1 to whatever the number it is and then multiply it by what?
Whatever the number is, the 1 plus that number.
Is that 1 plus that number? Oh, this is 1 plus that number. I'm talking about this dimension. Okay, so that's good.
Times whatever that number that you're adding is.
What is this in relation to this?
Oh, base.
What is this in relation to this?
Oh.
half.
Half. Half of what?
Half of.
In this case, half of what?
Oh, half of 20. Wait, no.
Half of what?
Half of 6.
That's all it is. Why are you trying to make it complicated? Is 3 half of 6?
Yeah.
So how far is it this way?
3.
Couldn't I say that's half of whatever the number I'm counting is?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it again. Let's see what happens. Turn on the video camera and you guys try to... Anyway, it's like, oh, we're going to make it sound like we're... Alright. What's the number here?
8.
So what's the number going to be this way?
4.
Why is that hard? Is there anything hard about that?
No.
What do we got?
9.
36.
1 plus 8 is 9. 4, right? So basically what I've done there is I've made 4 9s, haven't I?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we need to come up with a formula though. Yeah, see if you can start figuring out what the formula is. Let's try it again. Oh, let's go all the way to 10. So, I want to sum up all the numbers, and I could do 1 plus 2 plus 3. Ah, it takes too long. So, what am I going to do?
Take the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4.
I know, so what's my formula?
Take the other number. Oh.
How much is this? Isn't this half of whatever the number is?
Yeah, half of whatever the number is.
Times what?
Times the number plus 1.
Very good. That's it. So, my dimensions for this rectangle are half of n, and my dimensions this way are n, right, plus 1. I could write that out. Could I write that out like this? If I want to do a summation, that number is going to be, let's make it even bigger. Let's take these guys. I'm going to write over here. And let's get rid of that. Let's put these guys back up here. Oops. Come down a bit. Get rid of that. Alright, so now I have 14. Now I gotta stick these guys over here. And now I gotta stick this guy over here. And now I gotta stick that guy over here. And I'm gonna stick this guy over here. I still have half of n, right? Well, let's write this out. So, to sum up all the numbers for n, what do I have? Well, let's see here. I'm gonna have if n is equal to 14.
Okay.
So how big is, what is the number in that rectangle?
98.
What'd you do?
I did 70 plus 28 because 7 times 1 equals 70, and then 7 times 4 equals 28.
Is it 70 times? Is it 7 times 1?
No.
You're being lazy. Say the whole thing.
7 times
1 what?
110.
110. There you go. Okay, so, or you could just take n plus 1, which is 15. Right? So am I going to have 98?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
No. What number is this going to be?
N plus 1 is 15.
There you go.
What is that?
What's half of n?
7.5.
Where do you see a half there?
Oh.
What's half of 14?
7.
So where are you seeing 7.5? Silence. Alright. So it's going to be 98? Got a little ahead of the game, but what's 15 times 7?
105.
And what you did in your head was 70 plus 35, right? There you go. Anything hard about this?
Nah.
Could we sum up any numbers that we wanted now? Once I know this simple formula?
Yeah.
N plus 1, half of n? We could do ones that are 15 and then I'd have a half, but I don't want it today. We're going to, just a concept.
You could do
Right?
that.
I don't want to get bogged down in computation. I want to understand the concept. Where should they go for more information?
Crewton Ramone's HouseOfMath.com for more.
Oh, get over here. Sure, I know you do. All right, fine. Get over here. Quick, get in front of the camera.
Watch your butt.
Back up so everybody can see. Oops.
My
Oh, you can stand on your tippy toes.
Huh?
Stand on your tippy toes.
I am.
All right.
Crewton Ramone's HouseOfMath.com for more. Don't smack me in the face.
Watch your butt.
Yeah, he doesn't. Yeah, anyway, all right.